Albans Fashion Week in the beautiful cathedral waiting for the fashion show to start. But earlier today I went around and found the best looks for autumn winter 2015. Let's go check it out. Hi guys, so our first destination is the dressing room in St Albans, and Darianne is going to talk us through a really lovely outfit that she picked up for us, for Looks Good On Me, and she's just going to talk us through a little bit. What did you select for us?
So key trend for this season is obviously the 70s boho trend, so we're sort of channeling that quite a lot at the dressing room. So here I've pulled out this gorgeous boho cape from Becksondergaard. Looks amazing, you can belt it, you can have it loose, it looks fantastic. Styled that over this little dress from American Vintage, and then loads of boho tassel necklaces from Tribe and Fable. That looks amazing. Then just to finish the outfit off, we've got this fabulous bag which has just got tassels galore, so we're going for the full boho look.
Oh, amazing. I can see that Bordeaux and black are kind of the colours for the fall.
Yeah, they're just really autumnal, quite rich for fall as well, so I think they just work really, really well.
Yeah, I really love the outfits. Amazing. Thank you so much. Hey guys, so I'm at the next shop, which is Phase 8, and I'm wearing this amazing gown, which I'm absolutely in love with. It has really, really cool fringes, so whenever you turn, you're absolutely center of attention. And it's a perfect dress for a red carpet event, or Christmas dinner, or New Year's Eve party. So yeah, what do you think? Looks good on me? So our next destination is Reiss, and I am really in love with this look. As you can see, Reiss goes really a lot for textures, lace and faux fur, and I think it's really, really nice evening dress. You can, pair it up with a fur and go out on a dinner or something very, very elegant. And yeah, I really like this look. I hope you do as well. So next stop is the White Stuff, and I'm wearing a beautiful two-piece, a really nice oriental pattern skirt and this beautiful Bordeaux top. I really like the collection of White Stuff this autumn-winter. So the idea is it's a traveler scrapbook who is exploring the Orient, and as you can see, the patterns are really, really beautiful, but they are much dreamier, much softer than the actual Oriental patterns that you would find in China or Japan. So it's really, really pretty, and I hope you like this one. Right guys, so we're at our last stop at JIGSAW in St Albans, and I'm wearing this beautiful, beautiful boiled wool coat, and Diane here is going to tell me a bit more about it.
So this coat has been fantastic this season. It's what we call a transitional garment. It's not as heavy and as bulky as a coat, and you really feel very luxurious. It's a boiled wool, which is Grandma's favourite. It goes back over the periods, over the years. So ribbed collar, boiled wool coat. It has a fantastic mix. Our labels speak for themselves. 76% lamb's wool. What is quirky, they've put 24% cotton in it as well, which gives it that smooth, lovely feel, and it does make it much more durable and less likely to pill.
Amazing. Okay. I'm already sold on it.
You're very welcome to have one. They retail at £169, which is a fantastic price, and it's everybody's autumn winter favourite.
Guys, check this out. We've added some really amazing accessories. In fact, Tajana added really amazing accessories. Talk us through.
So what we've done, because our clothes are so versatile, we've teamed this to really do a nice layered look. We've done a beautiful, luxurious cashmere scarf, beautiful fedora hat. These are really, really fun, and a fabulous shopper. So all of this does is it shows how neutral our colours are and how versatile they are and how fabulous Tajana looks.
Hi guys, so after our amazing tour through St Albans, where we explored all the favorite looks from really cool brands, we're now at the St Albans Cathedral, and the fashion show is just about to start as part of the St Albans Fashion Week. So yeah, we're really excited. What do you think about it, Matthew?
Well, I'm really excited because we saw some of the looks last night, because it's been on 2 nights, and tonight we've got some really awesome brands showing off their stuff as well, so I think it's going to be a really excellent evening.
I know, and we've got some really cool things here. So we've got like a really nice LooksGoodOnMe mirror that we're going to be giving away.
Yeah, and we've got these booklets made up which give you like a 5-point plan of how to use the app.
Amazing, so we're really excited about it. Stay tuned and we'll show you the looks from the catwalk.